Hello friends, this is Ramajm a full stack developer. In this video, we are going to see a React.js. What is React.js? Only intro. Okay. So for this React.js is a JavaScript library. The most of the developers we are thinking React is as a framework of JavaScript. That is wrong, totally wrong. It is a view library. It is developed by Facebook for building a user interface. Okay. So this one point, especially for that single page application, it helps developer create reusable UI component that manage. So what is that? This I'm saying that user interface. This is I'm example. I'm open that Facebook. This is our user interface. Okay. So that is user interface and a reusable component we are saying. What is that reusable component? I'm saying that for this you can able to see in that side menu friends, memories, saved, groups, video, like this it is available, right? This will be, I'm showing that HTML content to you. For that HTML content it is in li tag. I think mostly that side menu will be this is a li tag, right? So when you want to for this li tag, there are 10 li tag is available totally, 10 or 15, right? um, uh, 10 li tag is available. For the 10 li tag, do not want to write the code for 10 li. We can write one li in that component file, so we can pass that data input to that component like a text or image, so that we are passing to the component will based on that input, it will be generated output and display in that view purpose. So we do not want to write multiple li. A single li is enough, so we can pass it and we can able to change it. If you want to change anything, that single component we can change, that will be reflect in all our web page. Okay, in previously we use that HTML, CSS, JavaScript, do stuff. So if you use that one, if you want to display that side menu, we need to use a multiple li and we need to statically we need to change it. If you want to change anything, that is to difficulties. So if you use that component, then it is very easy to understand. And this is a way, this is I think you understand. This is also one of the component only. This is one component. We are passing that passing that icon, then it will be display one by one. Okay, I think now you understand that reusable component, so that their own state and efficient update when data change. So let me see, the side menu option is having a friends. I want to add neighbors and neighbors text I want to add. If I added without refreshing this page, that will be display here. If in a live server in Facebook, now we are updating that friends and neighbors, then without this browser refresh, it will be display. That is called as a state. So in upcoming video, I will explain that state. Now I'm going to now we see that what is the state. The state is a state we stored in one variable. For that variable we are changing anything, that will be display here. That is called as data changes. We are saying which efficiently update when data change update. So if data that state we stored in one variable, right? That variable we changed any data, that is data change. If that data changes happened, then where we using that data variable for that place, that efficiently that will be updated without refreshing a page. So that is called as a update when changed. Okay. So why use React? I already told a component based architecture. We seen, right? Component, reusable component, and the declarative UI. want to see React take care of all, automatically update right component when data change. So we seen right data changed for that for this friends variable where data has been changing, then automatically it will be updated. We do not want to do anything. React will be handle that one. That is called as a declarative UI. And virtual DOM. Virtual DOM, if we change anything, virtual DOM, the reason what is a virtual DOM means, this is a one li tag, right? For this one li tag, inside this friends, what p tag only, I'm changing the text to friends and neighbors. So what will the virtual DOM is do? It will be update only this friends and this friends, that p tag only it will be update. It will not update the overall thing. So that is called as a virtual DOM. Where for which one we are changing, that specific thing will be update in our browser. Other thing and all it will not change. So that is called as a virtual DOM. Okay, unidirection flow. So here you can see data flow from parent to child component. So this is our UI is a parent. The side menu is a parent. For this we are friends, memories saved. This is under child. So parent to we are passing the data to child, and the child will be prepare the data. It will be shared that response, friends and icon, this all things. So that is called as a unidirectional data flow. And the strong community and e-commerce. Rich ecosystem of tool library, community support, work for all with Redux. That will be seen in the Redux. And React, we have a router option also. Right? So we can able to create a route, and the Redux is a state manager tool. That upcoming video we will see that one. I'm not going to deep. That is a state. Okay, you can think. That next is that it is a full framework for full stack development, React and backend both things we can able to do in our React.js. This is also the upcoming videos we'll see. And that sixth one is that JSX syntax. This is an extension we are storing. This is an extension when we storing that file in React.js using this extension. The reason why we are using that HTML, right, in our JavaScript for readable content format. So in that React.js we are passing that component for this rendering. We are rendering that HTML. We are preparing that HTML in JavaScript itself. So that is that for that purpose we are using this extension, that's saving this file as a JSX. So in upcoming videos I will show a code also for this intro. Okay, and where we used React. So web application, mobile application, admin dashboard, e-commerce website platform, and more. The Facebook I told the side menus, right? So that is example. And mobile application we have one native React Native, that is one option is available, that is also library. So using that we can able to create a mobile application. E-commerce website also. In e-commerce website you can see that most of the in Facebook, Amazon and Flipkart and all, that the product has been displayed one by one in a one by one, right? That is all called that is also a reusable component only. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you understand that React.js, what is React.js and where we using that one. In upcoming videos we can see that in depth of that React. Thanks for watching. If you have any other suggestions or any other feedback in comment section, you can mention it. Okay, bye.